Beckies. I'm gonna cook pork belly using an air fryer because it is more economically friendly. Here we go. So there's onion here, bay leaf, whole peppercorns, and I'm gonna add salt, and then a little bit of filtered water. Okay, just like that. And boil it for an hour. And then after that, cook it in the air fryer. So there you go. I'm gonna boil it now. And then of course you have to turn on the exhaust fan, which is really noisy here. Anyway, it's fun. You'll see it later. So for my pork belly, I will make my own condiments, or do we call it in Tagalog, sausawan. We always have a condiments or sausawan on our table every time we eat, like anything. We use patis with calamansi, toyo with calamansi, toyo with the tomato. So I'm chopping this now. So this will be sarap. Oh, strong. I'm trying, you know, crayola. But this is really good for side dish. So we will add vinegar. Okay. I'll have a little bit of sugar. And then, of course, I have to add calamansi from the Philippines. You can buy it in our court because we don't have fresh calamansi here. Okay. And then garlic chili oil. You can buy this online, Ronnie's Kitchen in UK. So there. And then pepper. And then salt. I like cooking very much, but in a small apartment like this, I cannot cook like binagoongan, you know, the smelly food of Filipinos, because it's just gonna smell, and I will be the one to sacrifice kasi nga small lang, mahina ang exhaust fan, maingay pa, tapos it's just complicated. If you're cooking this in an air fryer, it is more economical, kuryente wise. Let's try this. Go na tayo ah. Okay, so first, we'll spread, this is, I cool it down. It has to be cooled down para bonggang-bongga. Okay, so put a little bit of oil on top. Okay, and while I'm doing this, I'm preheating my bonggang mini oven or my air fryer. So yan. Bigyan natin siya ng salt on top. Sana bongga to. Hindi mapapahiya ako sa inyo dito. So there. Lagyan na rin natin. Wala namang masarap kung lagyan natin siya. Okay, I'll give you a tip also using air fryer. When you use air fryer, make sure that you have enough space on the surroundings so the air fryer will function properly. That's what I read in the manual of this, so make sure. I just follow the rules, okay? Gogora na tayo. So, here na. Na-preheat ko na siya for 10 minutes. And then, sana magkasya siya. For sure na magkasya. Oops. So, there. Can you see? Magicin natin to. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Okay, I'm gonna set it for... the maximum is 200, so let's do it in 200. And then for about 30 minutes. Good luck to me. First time kong gawin ito! Go! Then while is this on, yung pinagpakuluan, I don't throw it away. Kasi sayang naman. Diba? So what I do, I just take out the yucky part. You know, yung mga pinagpakuluan. And then, I'll strain it and that will be my soup or my rice. Bongga, diba? Ganun talaga ang mga Pinoy. Kahit saan, iisipin ang pagtitipid. Yung sabaw na yan are super, super tasty. I tell you. Look at this. Woohoo! Look at this, guys. Diyos ko, buti na lang tinignan ko na siya ay luto na kaagad. Bongga, di ba? So, eto na. Can you see this? Wow! Bongga! Hindi siya sunog. Mukha lang sunog, pero hindi siya sunog, ha? So, here we go. Wait, I have to get rice first. I'll show you what I'm going to do with my rice. So, I don't know how to slice this. Can you hear that? Bongga. Can you hear that? So, I'm gonna slice it. Oh my God. It's so hard to cut. Yeah. Ang hirap i-cut. So, pasensya na, ha? Yeah. There. Ng Pinoy sushi roll. This is a regular jasmine rice, okay? Now, dagdagan natin siya ng... Kung dun wasabi, tayo ay suka, onion, at whatever. Ginger, bongga, sili. Okay, let's put this. Putol. Where's the other one? Let's put that one together. Yan, i-roll ko ng mahusay. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Can you see that? And then your soup. There. We'll eat it. So, ganito lang guys ang pagkain. That's so yummy. And let's mess it up. May sabaw. Bakla. That's it. That is my simple tips. All of you who lives in a small or stay in a small apartment. So, paano hindi mag-aamoy ang mga gamit, ang mga damit. Well, actually, kahit sa malaking bahay, mangangamoy ka pa rin. Basta kailangan maganda ang ventilation mo. Eh, here, kahit anong ventilation ko, talaga nangangamoy, hindi ko maintindihan. So, love you! See you!